So it's been almost 2 days, 48 hours that we've been shooting with Sushant Singh Rajput for Jai Jawan. It's been an amazing experience for us and for him as well,
Absolutely.
I'm sure.
Absolutely.
But you know, you would assume that in 2 days we would have gotten to know everything about you, but I am sure there are a lot of things that we still don't know, and that is why we have this small chat with you, a small chat session with you,
Sure.
where we may just get to know some things that we don't know.
That we don't know?
Yeah. So let me just talk about Jai Jawan first.
Sure.
What kind of experience has it been for you, Sushant?
Very honestly, one of my best day was today when I got to do so many obstacle courses with the Jawans, and you know, there are things, and it happens again and again in your life. There are times when you feel that you can't do it, the fear, and then you just do it, even if you falter. Just because you have attempted, you feel so good about your life and yourself, and that thing. And then I learned that discipline is so important. The way they were doing the taekwondo, those are the simple basic stuff that we forget, and they do it again and again and again and again. So deliberate repetitions, again, very important. And the most important thing is, I guess, the intention behind the action, and the intention is very much clear. That first nation, second team, and third, if you are left with some energy, then defend yourself. So yes,
So
learned a lot.
what do you take back with you when you go to Bombay this time? Because you're going back to Bollywood, you're going back to the same world. But are you a different Sushant?
Yes, of course, and in a big way, because normally the way we function in any industry, we think about ourselves first, because that's the most primal instinct to survive. But being here, being with so many Jawans, and as I said, they think about the country first, and then the team, and then so it's complete reverse engineering, a complete different way of looking at things and functioning, which is absolutely necessary if we want to live peacefully in a community.
Okay, so there are things that we know about you, and there are things that we don't, and there are things that we assume about you. But there are a few questions that I'm going to ask you
Sure.
very quickly. Cricket or football?
Cricket.
Dhoni or Virat?
Dhoni.
Dance or acting?
Dance. I think like a dancer even when I act.
Theatre or TV?
Theatre.
Theatre or cinema?
Theatre.
Car or bikes?
That's a tough one. Bikes.
Vintage or sports bikes?
Sports.
Okay, in films, your co-stars, Vani or Pariniti?
Pariniti.
Pariniti or Kriti?
Kriti.
Kriti or Madhuri Dixit?
Madhuri Dixit.
Okay, and now, Jai Jawan or films?
Jai Jawan. Definitely.
That's super. That was a great session with you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being
Thank you
with
so
us.
much.
So it's been